How do you download Instagram Reels from the platform using Android, but without the watermark? So let me show you how it works. If you are new here and first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the first step would be to open up the Instagram platform and locate the reel which you want to actually download, right? So you will see that you will basically just look it up like so. Type in, the account or whatever. But once you are inside of the reels, you basically want to copy the link from that, right? So we can tap on the more options like so. You can see that this makes it show up, but we need to click on the share, which lets us copy the link from that, right? So that's what we need to do, have the link copied. And then we can move over to a web browser of your choice. For example, Google Chrome, where you can type in the Instagram Reels downloader, right? So you're gonna type that in, and there are plenty of like websites which get the job done, and those websites basically allow you to paste the link to specific reels. Decide perhaps the resolution or quality you want to download it at, and you can click on the download, and it's gonna let you get the video from the platform. So it's gonna work out just fine. Usually, it's gonna save it probably in your gallery or in your files, depends on how you want to store it. But that's how you can get access to the videos, to the reels, but without the actual watermark. So this was just a quick guide on how it could work. Let me know in the comments below if it actually functioned for you specifically. So let me know about it below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the upcoming quick tutorials and videos like this one. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.